Welcome. In this video, I'm going to help you identify what y equals x squared looks like in 3 dimensions. So the first thing I like to do is sketch what this would look like in, say, 2 dimensions. So on the standard xy plane, this is a parabola. And remember, this is the positive x-axis, the negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative x-axis. And I label that because things get a little rotated in 3 dimensions. The x-axis tends to come out of the page at you. So this is x, and this would be the positive and the negative. The z-axis will look like it's up and down. And this is positive z, negative z. And the y-axis kind of goes across here. And they all need to intersect in the same place. There we go. And this is y, and this is positive y and negative y. So remember, we graph this along the positive x and y axes. And this parabola, y equals x squared, in essence hugs the positive y axis. So I'm imagining little arms here, and they're hugging the y axis. So let's make sure we hug the positive y axis. So our parabola will come out this way. So here's the positive y-axis, and here is our parabola. And now along the z-axis, all that's going to happen is this is going to continue vertically here and create this sheet that goes on, as you can see. And I can make this look a little better if I have this become a dotted line so it's clear that this is behind this part of the sheet. So let's look at this in GeoGebra. So here is GeoGebra, and I have my labeled X, Y, and Z axis, which I've shown how to do before. If you don't know how to do this, just label any 3 points. You can change the colors and the caption and settings to say X axis, Y axis, and Z axis. So now I'm going to type in Y equals X squared. And there you are. This is our parabola along the X and Y axes. Oh, there it is. That hugs the positive Y axis, as we saw on our hand-drawn sketch. It just kind of goes along forever, parallel along the z-axis. I hope you found this video helpful.